Soft copy document management. At the end of the topic, participants will be able to understand process of imaging from hard copy to soft copy to save time, space, cost and go green revolution. Ideal document file formats. Here it is explained what are the ideal document formats used to create and store the documents digitally. When we say document management, it is for both hard copy as well as for soft copy. Means data created on media like paper and document created using computer software are called soft copy. Microsoft Office documents, one of the globally recognized format for creating document. As everybody knows that in all organizations, Microsoft Office documents is used to create documents in large quantities. PDF is a abbreviation for portable document format. PDF is a universally accepted file format for distributing, viewing and printing electronic documents. PDF supports searching within metadata and text. Everybody knows PDF format, which is globally accepted format for sharing the electronic generated documents. PDF also supports security features including password protection, electronic signatures and writes. PDF formats also gives data protection by using the password protection facility so that the authorized person can open and view them. It has advanced features like digital signature also. To ensure authenticity of the documents, they can be protected against further changes. Protection can also prevent unauthorized access by requiring password to open and view the documents. For example, PDF documents can be locked against modifications with password protection. TIFF or TIFF, Tagged Image File Format, is a format for storing raster image data. TIFF image is highly flexible image format, hence widely supported by users around the world and especially by manufacturers of scanners and printing vendors. Ideal document formats JPG, Joint Photographic Expert Group. The format is used for fast online access. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Expert Group. The group developed standards in connection with the file formats in early 1990s. The format is well suited for applications requiring fast online access. JPEG is generally used in photography and movies. AutoCAD files. Drawing sizes from small to big are created in AutoCAD software. The designing groups in most of the organization are using AutoCAD software to create designs like architectures or plant designs in engineering and construction field. The native format of AutoCAD is DWG. The DWG file format is one of the most commonly used design data format found in nearly every design environment. Optical character recognition OCR can enhance searching in PDF. Optical character recognition OCR is a technology which enables all images on PDF converts into readable letters and word into sentences with high accuracy and which depends on the original document's legibility. OCR is always required with PDF format for easy retrieval and extract information content. PDF-A format. PDF-A format is specialized for digital preservation. PDF-A used for long-term archival. User can see the same content, example properties today and in future. PDF-A is an ISO standardized version of the portable document format, specialized for use in the archiving and long-term preservation of electronic documents. The PDF-A standard does not define an archiving strategy or the goals of an archiving system. It identifies a profile for electronic documents that ensures the documents can be reproduced exactly the same way using various software in years to come. Equipment needed: desktop computer system or laptop computer system, scanner and copier machine. To make soft copy, we require a computer's scanners from A4 size to A0 size, depends on the requirements of the organization for connecting to users' computer system. Scanner scans the image in required format and as per the choice of the file, compression ratio and send it to user for storage, distribution and edit. Scan of document is done in appropriate format as per organization standard. Storage application, media and devices. Document management software, storage media, CD, DVD, portable SDD, network SDD. After scanning, a proper identification number, description and revision is required for uniqueness of the soft copy. There are DMS software and other storage media like CD, DVD, portable SDD and network SDD so that they can be transported or used by many users at a time with a proper accessibility. How to file electronically? Check that each image is readable. Each image you get for scan, check it whether it is readable or not because your scanner will scan what you get but it does not repair the not readable data. Enter the correct key indexing words so that each document can be easily found. Very important, when you scan and the documents are ready for storage, please give proper indexing words as per the file naming convention provided to you because if you don't do it as per the standards norm provided to you, in future the document will not be traceable. Enter additional protection if required. To safeguard the data, you can protect them with password as security to the document. Process the paper document accordingly to the procedure for your system. If you have process in your hand to operate the scanning system, do it as per the procedure. If it is not provided, please prepare a process before starting the scanning work. This will help to complete the work in quality way. Check that documents have been identified for scanning. Sorting is more important before we start the scanning job. So identify the document which are supposed to scan because most of the documents nowadays are electronically generated. I mean they are ready in soft copy format. Scan each one to the system. Try to do it individual scanning. Mostly in bulk system there are lot of time taken.